What you're watching is an AI control an agent in an environment. The agent is Mario, and the environment is this video game. The AI was never trained on a specific setup of coins, but it learned how to pick up all of the coins in handmade levels. The AI learned by playing thousands of randomly generated games. Learning how to play this game is not an easy task for the AI. It has a limited view, and it needs to learn how to explore and navigate the environment. The agent has a first-person limited view of the game, so it does not know the locations of the coins ahead of time. The agent's vision is represented by the lines that are cast from Mario. When a line turns green, that means the agent's line of sight detected a coin. Mario uses this simplified vision to know the distances to the coins in its line of sight. The AI is not told which coin it should pick up, how to move towards coins, or that it should even pick up coins at all. Learning is achieved by rewarding the AI for moving closer to coins and penalizing it for moving away from coins. At first, the AI was clueless and just ran into the wall. After playing 3,000 games, the AI started to learn exploration. After 30,000 games, the AI started to understand that there is something valuable about coins. By the 40,000th game, the AI was able to use knowledge of its position, rotation, and lines of sight to come up with a plan for finding and collecting most of the coins. Eventually, after 50,000 games, the AI learned how to explore and pick up coins the way a human might. It even seemed confused when it could no longer find any coins. This is a simple game for humans, but it required the AI to learn not-so-simple concepts, such as exploration and navigation. A more challenging environment might produce a more sophisticated AI, and that is the goal with this Imagine Something series. Just imagine playing a video game one day and not knowing if the characters around you are humans or if they're actually AI agents.